Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. I'm Alan. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a handset which I purchased from eBay on Sunday. They wanted $11.99 but they had a make offer button, so I put in a cheeky bid for £7, including £3.20. It only actually had an hour and a half left on the bid, and they accepted, so paid the due monies, if you like, and received it today. Unusually, it's got the same 4 digits as this particular handset. However, this handset was born a full 5 years after and bears no resemblance to the handset I received. So let's have a quick look. Okay, so let's get into this. If we can, as quickly as possible. Been boxed very well, seems to have been well packaged. Apparently this handset retailed back in the day for about $800 US, which is probably about £500–600. Probably had a knife or something. So that's a 6600 slide, and this is just a Nokia 6600, released in 2003. 65,000 colours. Got a little joystick there. Looking pretty good. So it's in registration field of the card. I didn't put one in, so clearly there is one in there already. Let's have a look. I just want to check to make sure, because I felt that the startup there was going to be the Nokia theme. However, it felt like it just clicked out, but you can hear it beeping away there, so that sounds promising. So yeah, Nokia 6600. Nokia 6600 slide, 5 years difference, about 20 grams, 19 grams difference, and absolutely nothing alike. Unusual naming, model naming from Nokia there. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll bring out some videos in the near future, the usual, the ringtones, and do a quick 3–4 minute review. So yeah, thank you very much.